Yo, what's up, guys? Back at it again. I'm excited about this one. I'm excited about this unboxing. Of course, you see in the description, you know what it is. But yes, this is a video of a shoe about a gentleman that was raised in West Philadelphia. On the playground is where he spent most of his days. And a couple guys up to no good, making trouble in his neighborhood. He got into a little fight. Mom got scared, sent him to his auntie and uncle in Bel Air. And that's pretty much that, man. So first, before I get to the shoe, I'm gonna do this actual shirt that goes with it. I got the shirt from Nike. There was another store doing a release. I thought this was just an exclusive release because the only store I saw show this picture was Lapstone and Hammer. So I thought they were releasing it to the public, and they said no, it was in store only, and the shoes were in store only. And then come to find out, they actually did email orders on the shoe after they said they were doing in store only, but whatever. So I was able to get this shirt off of Nike. Nike actually had this shirt, so I was fully satisfied. I got my size, the extra large. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Oh yeah, I rocks with this. As you can see on the back, I think it says Air Jordan on the back. I'm not saying, yeah, Air Jordan has it purple with the green. And here we go on the front. Yes, Will Smith, Fresh Prince of Bel Air. You know what I'm saying? So definitely had to cop this shirt. This was dope. This goes with the kicks. Definite must have. And then you see here at the bottom, it has the Jordan logo here on the bottom of the shirt. And as you can see on his foot, he has the Grape 5s on, which leads me to this next box, this next unveiling that we have. Shout out to the good people at SNS again, one time for the one time they came through for your boy in the clutch. Again, no complaints. They boxes are different. Oh yeah, that's right. You gotta pull the little tab. They have the different boxes, which is pretty cool. It's not a hassle to get it off. Shout out to the good people at SNS for making this happen. Thank you for shopping. Appreciate you. You got the box, so you know what it is. You know what I'm saying? Let's get that thumbnail action. But yeah, Air Jordan 5 Retro NRG. So you know what's up. Put this, we'll move this box out the way. Gotta get to them. I don't know why this Jordan 5 box always do this where this little tab gets caught on the box. I don't know why, and it gets stuck on the paper. I don't know why. Whatever. Yes, sir. Here we are. Yes. It's denting it in a little bit, a little crease, but it won't hurt. That's because the shoe tree was back. I can't front though. The leather on this joint is soft. Mostly, like with the other Grape 5s of the 2013 release, the leather was stiff. This leather is soft, man. This is some soft leather. Like, I'm gonna move this shoe tree back again and let y'all see. Look at that. That leather is soft. That's butter, man. This is butter. Yeah. This that baby ass soft. I love the smell of 5s too. Let me see. I think they got some cool insoles in here. It says Air Jordan. If you can see the inside of it, has that on the inside. These were hard, man. Retail was $190. I found out the day before the release that I won the raffle. They sent me a notification, so I didn't have to try to, get my trigger finger happy on the sneakers website. So I like these. And of course, if you didn't know, like, they don't have the laces on them. And on here it says West Philadelphia here at the front. If you can see that, it says West Philadelphia, and it has a Nike Air on the back. These joints, These joints nice, man. But you know I gotta say it. These joints are hard. Hard. I've been waiting on these to get in, man. So they released this shoe to commemorate Will Smith's birthday, which was September 25th, his 50th birthday. He also did a YouTube video where he bungee jumped. But this shoe and this shirt was to commemorate Will Smith's birthday. So the Jordan brand released these for him because on the show he used to wear this Jordan without the laces in his shoes. So what they did with this one, they made it without laces, but it's sewn in here, so you can't actually even wear a lace or put laces in it. I've seen people punch holes in theirs and put laces in it and thought it was cool. To me, that was stupid. I mean, you could have just found the Grape 5s online and bought them. But whatever. Yeah. I like these, man, especially with the Nike Air joint on the back. These are hard. These are hard. I'm definitely rocking these. You can get you a joint with no laces, and it's just, yeah. These tough. These real tough. I might do a on foot. I think I'm gonna do an on foot for y'all. Yeah, let's do that. All right, overall, dope shoe. It fits a little tighter than usual though, than the normal 2013. I guess because of right here where they had to sew it on or something. It fits a little bit tight. So my recommendation, if you you may want to go a half size up. I mean, they're not bad on my foot, but if you kind of want a little comfort, and then I guess maybe also because of this leather quality, look how it's sunk right here. It has that crease, which I'm not mad at it because it just shows how soft that leather is. So you may want to go a half size up because they were a little tight. But I mean, no complaints here, man. This is a dope shoe. This is a dope release. I like the story, the concept. Will Smith did a video debuting the shoe, and then they had a friends and family pair. Only thing is with Nike, I wish Nike would have kind of went more into the story of it, and it would have been dope if maybe like on their YouTube or the Sneakers Apple platform, if they kind of did a video, or interview with Will Smith, kind of doing more stories and kind of more promo with it. I think that would have made it more dope. With the shoe is dope, but I just think that story would have added a little more something to it. But no complaints here. Like I said, dope shoe. I will be rocking these. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share these videos with friends and family, and I'll be back at it again. So until the next release, y'all be cool.